Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, welcome back to this series of YT Studio Analytics, in which we have made a few for the enhancement. First of all, this sheet is now renamed as a report. Previously, it was top best 3 days or something like this, right? So we have changed it because it is not only showing you the top best days, no, top three, yeah, best days, but also it is showing you month to month progress for all the years, whatever the years you have, they are going to be shown here automatically. Means as soon as you click uh, into the report, it is going to display the latest picture. So all you have to do is download your data and make sure that all your data is downloaded and pasted into the table data. And the rest of the things, the copy of these formulas and this, and these are done automatically. Even if you remove all these, the system will automatically do it. Do it. I mean, all the formulas, which are the basis of this report, will be written automatically. So as you can see, it doesn't take much time, just a few seconds, and you will find all this analysis. And this is a comparative analysis, means January of 2023 is compared with 2024. Similarly, and there, June of 2023 is compared with 2024 June, right? And then you can also use a summation, right? For example, you select all this. Uh, if you sum, yeah, you can take the total of all this, then it is going to tell you the year-wise comparison. So since our channel started in June, so only half year was 25,000, whereas we are already in December and whole year was 21,000 for that. So, we have to dig the reasons, what happened, why, what we should be doing, and how should we increase our views uh, and progress of and performance of our channel and videos, right? So this is the thing, and the next thing we show you how all these are coded in the VBA. So let's go to the VBA. In the VBA, we have the this event, that is worksheet activate event. This is uh, the event in which uh, we write all those things uh, which we want, that as soon as this sheet is activated, what the system should do. So you should delete first of all the rows, sort of 1,000 I have sent written. Okay, that's it, because our analysis will be until 25 row maximum, but no problem. We have uh, we could have used it exactly 25 as well. So there's not going to be any effect, right? The next is it takes the last row of the table data, right? The table data, because we are going to use the formula and we need to know that what is the this is going to be used in our formulas and working, right? So, so we need to know that what is the last row number in the table data. It it depends on how long is your history, right? So at the moment it is 500 something, right? Okay. So the next is we write the formulas, which you say we removed it. Even if we remove it, it will write. As soon as you activate this sheet, it will write the formula in the table data, column F, then column G, and column H, right? Column F and G, we explain you that these are used to get the top three best performance days and their views, right? Then number of views, and the day, the best days of our channel. Right. The next is H, column H uh, is going to tell you uh, the month. The YYY means year and dash month, right? Because this is we will be using to build up this report, right? And for this, and table data has to have something in some column. So we have chosen column H, in which the month, let's say 2023 January, 2024 January will appear in the proper appropriate entries, right? So that would be used in the summit formula in it. Okay. So that's what it is saying. And you can step by step see it. I will make this file available with the code. And what you can do is just put a breakpoint uh, and uh, and go out of this sheet. Now come back again. So you will be able to see each and every command when it is actioning, when it is executing, what does it do? So you can press, put a breakpoint somewhere here, for example, and you will see that it has cleared all these things first of all and written the formula in the table data, and uh, now it is ready to write month at A7. This is A7, and this A8 and A7 will be having month written in it here. So let's press F8, so you will see month is written. Now, it has taken the range as well, that how many years data is coming from the table data, the historical history data, right? So it is telling you that you are going to start from year 2023 to 2024, right? So within a loop, it will start do while loop in which it will keep writing each time one uh, a month and their so it will complete the month, right? And and it will write the years also, right? First of all, it will complete the years, how many years it is. So it will put the years, and then it will put the months, right? So let's put a breakpoint here and see, you will see the years will appear. Yeah, the years are appearing here, right? 2023 and 2024. Now the months will appear. We put a breakpoint in here and let's so it has written all the months in here. The next is the thing, it is going to get the last cell address so that it can use it to put this formula in it, right? So let's press F8. So what is LC value? LC value is row 20. That's right. Okay. So here it is going to write uh, the formula for 2023 first, and then not only 20, it will write right away until which column? K column, until K column, until here it will write. So the formula has the condition that if it is on the top, the year is blank, so do not do anything, just write as blank. That's right, okay. So this is how it is now writing the formula and bringing the figures, right? So what we do here is we put a breakpoint here and execute. So it has written all this formula. So it has brought all these figures, right? The next is it is now going to write the top three information, right? The top three uh, best performance days. So they will appear. Okay. So I put a breakpoint here. First of all, the top one will appear, right? And now it is writing the top second. And next is it is going to write that the rank 3. The third rank is being. So these are the loops which are uh, doing the job, right? So I put a breakpoint in the answer, so it will complete this information, and the program is completed. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and use this file and let me have your feedback, how you like that. Thank you very much.